Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make a welcome and goodbye channel in Discord. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to easily create a welcome and goodbye message for your server. Go to the server and now we will create a new channel for welcome and goodbye. So as you can see, I've successfully created a welcome channel. Now let's create goodbye channel. Create channel. Once done, click on your server name and click on app directory. And in the search box, type here ProBot and search for it. And this is the actual bot we're going to use. So click on it and click on add to server. Visit site. Click on continue. Authorize. And ensure that you are not a robot. Once the bot added, you will directly jump into the bot dashboard. Here, scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on welcome and goodbye. And here, first of all, let's create a welcome message. Just enable send a message when a user joins the server option. And in this box, write here your welcome message. And send to a channel, select the welcome channel and click on save changes. And to create a goodbye message, scroll down, enable send a message when a user leaves the server, and in this box write here a goodbye message and click here and select the goodbye channel, click on save changes, and now on, whenever a new member joins to your server, they will automatically get a welcome message. And the same way, whenever a user leaves your server, they will get a goodbye message. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.